Bonjour. So let's make sure before we go any further that you can say this vocab. So as awkward as it is in your little tiny group, your job is after you hear it, say it. After you see the word, say it again. Okay, so here we go. Répétez. Un croissant. Un croissant. Un sandwich. Un steak. You're not very loud. Un steak frites. Un hamburger. Un hot dog. So don't forget the H is silent. So the N carries over, but then un hot dog. Un éclair. Un gâteau. Une salade. Une pizza. Une omelette. Une crêpe. Now if you don't have the ch going on, une crêpe. Une glace. Une tarte. Ok, bravo. Voilà.